Good morning, children. This is Marthi Prasad. Today I am going to explain about the first lesson in social studies, class 9, our Earth. In our previous class, we have discussed about the location of Earth. The location of Earth is the Earth is located in the solar system among the 8 planets. Among the 8 planets, in the previous class we have discussed about the location of Earth and about the solar system we have discussed in our previous class. Okay. And also we have discussed about the Earth. Earth is the only planet which is having life on its surface. Earth is the only planet which is having life on its surface. Along with the humans, there are so many million types of animals, plants, and microorganisms are living along with us. On the earth, along with humans, there are millions of types of plants, animals, and microorganisms are living on the surface of the earth. In the earlier days, Earth is having full of resources. In the earlier days, before the evolution of humans and before the evolution of plants and animals, Earth is having full of resources. That's why the Earth is called as storehouse. Storehouse for resources. The Earth is called storehouse of the resources. After the evolution of humans are changing the Earth. For our convenience, we are changing the surroundings of us. Because of changing and because of overusing of resources, the animals and plants and the microorganisms which are harmed by humans. Due to the excess use of resources, the environmental crises are facing nowadays. Nowadays we are facing environmental crisis. Suppose if you use the petroleum products heavily, which are extracted from the earth, those are also, suppose if you use the resources which are extracted from the earth heavily on the surface of the earth, those are causing the harm to the other which are living along with us. Okay, these are all the topics which we have discussed in our previous lesson, in our previous class. Okay, now coming to the part, today we are discussing about universe, the sun, the moon, the earth. About these three, now we are going to explain about our universe. For thousands of years ago, the people are always very keenly looking into the sky and observing the objects which are fixed in the sky. The objects which are fixed in the sky are stars. The people are, for thousands of years ago, they are looking at the sky and they are think the objects that are fixed in the sky, they are stars. Okay, stars. How the stars are fixed at the position in the space, and how do they affect us, and how they are changing their places. These are all the questions which are raised in the people. For thousands of years ago, people looking into how the stars are formed, or how the objects which are evolved in the space are formed. These are all the questions are raised in the people for so many thousands of years ago. Okay, after a long time, for 1000 years ago, people have concluded to one point. Our Earth is a stationary point. Earth is the stationary one. Stationary one means a constant body. Stationary means for 1000 years ago. For 1000 years ago, the people 1000 years ago, before 1000 years, the people thought that the Earth is the stationary body for all the universe. The Earth is the stationary body and the Earth is the middle part of the all universe. Okay, after 500 years ago, the people this does not obey the people did not obey this statement. The Earth is the not stationary body in the for the whole universe, or Earth is not the middle part of the universe. The Earth is some part of solar system, or the some part. Earth is a small part which is located in the space, and the Earth is always moving around. Earth is moving always around the sun, and there are so many stars and so many planets are located in the space. Stars and planets are located in the Earth. For 500 years ago, the people concluded, come under the conclude that there are so many stars and planets are in the space. Not only the Earth is the stationary part in the universe. It is not in middle part of the universe. There are so many stars and so many planets are located in the planets, and there are so many number of billions of stars are there, like our sun. There are millions of stars are lying in the space, like our sun. These group of stars are called as galaxy. Group of stars called as galaxy. In the previous class, we have discussed about our solar system belongs to Milky Way galaxy. Like this type of galaxies are so many millions of galaxies are located in the space. Okay, people thought that 100 years ago, they thought that how these stars are evolved, or how these stars are formed in the space. Okay, some people and some scientists concluded due to the Big Bang theory, about 13.7 billion years ago, the space was formed. Or the astronomical objects are formed. Even the stars also born. The stars also grow and they even die. Okay, these dying stars are technically called as black holes. Nowadays we are seeing in some channels black holes. About black holes we are listening in nowadays. The dying stars are called black holes. Okay, once again, the group of stars are called as galaxy. Our solar system is a small part of Milky Way galaxy. Like the Milky Way galaxies, there are so many billions of galaxies are located in space. due to the Big Bang, the space was evolved in the entire space or the entire astronomical objects are formed due to the Big Bang about 13.7 billion years ago, and it may be destroyed or it may be dies after a billions of years later. Okay. Even our sun and nowadays the present with the present technology, the humans are going to other nearby planets, and now the humans can landed in the moon and observing the different types of minerals and how the moon is evolved, how the moon is revolving around the earth, how the earth is revolving around the sun. The astronauts are researching on these questions till that. Okay, the sun and the earth, these are also the part of universe. The sun and the part of very small parts of earth. Okay, in our 9th class textbook, they have given our earth is the very smaller particle. Our earth is the very smaller particle which you are seeing in the textbook. It is the location of earth in the space. Our earth is the very smaller part in the space. Okay, but in the earliest people thought that earth is the stationary or the middle part of the universe. But for long years later, the people come under to the earth is the planet which is the very smaller particle in the astronomical objects. Okay, now earth is also a small particle in the solar system. Okay, and then how the changes are formed on the earth. How the changes on the formed on the earth. The changes are very quickly changed. Suppose the day and night are formed immediately. Suppose it takes about 24 hours. The seasons are formed within 3 months or within 5 months, within 4 months, but the changes which are taken in the space it takes almost billions of years. It takes billions of years. It is the changes which takes billions of years and the astronomical objects are in the space. The changes which we are seeing on the earth are very quickly they are done. Suppose if you see the change of day and night, so if you see the changes of seasonal changes, those are very quickly we are seeing. Suppose if you see the changes in the space, if you see the space in the universe, it takes about billions of years to change. Okay, according to Carl Sagan, he said our earth is a smaller particle. He stated that Carl Sagan stated that our earth and our human lives is the very smaller particles among this all space. Among all this space, our earth and our human livings are very minute particles in among this space. Now coming to how the day and nights are formed on the earth. How the day and nights are formed. Before knowing about that, then what is the shape of our earth? What is the shape of our earth? The shape of earth is spherical shape. Spherical shape. Okay. Our earth rotates around the sun. Yes, it is revolving around the sun, and due to the revolution of earth and due to the rotation of earth, we can see the day and night changes on the day on the earth due to the rotation. Due to the rotation of earth, due to the rotation of the earth, we can see day and night changes on the earth, and due to the revolution, due to the rotation, day and night are changes due to revolution of earth. Revolution of earth, we can observe the changes in the seasons. Revolution means the earth rotates around itself on its own axis, and it revolving around the sun. That is called the revolution of earth. Okay, once if I show how the shape of the earth is, the shape of the earth is the spherical shape. It tilts slightly towards. If you see the earth, it is rotating on its own axis. This is its own axis. This is its own axis. Suppose if you see the earth shape, it is in the shape of spherical, and it is always rotating around itself from west to east direction. From west to east direction. This is the rotational direction of our earth. From west to east. From west to east, our earth is rotating. Okay. Suppose how the day and nights are formed on the earth. Suppose this here the sun is there in the solar system. Like let us assume that suppose some light portion is falling on the surface of the earth, and it is suppose if this path is facing, and this path gets the sun rays from this path from sun rays, and it is having the brighter portion than the back side portion. Okay, this portion is in the night, and when the rotation is going on like this, the portion of earth slightly goes into the sun rays, under the sun rays, and leaving this side part into the from the sun rays. Okay, at this place we can see the sun rise, and at this place we can see the sunset. When if the sun rays falls from this side, we can observe the changes. This portion, this semi portion is in daytime, and the back side portion is in night. In this way, the day and nights are formed on the earth. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss about the revolution and the time taken to revolution, and how the seasons are formed on the earth. In this class, we have discussed about the rotation of earth and the evolution of universe, and what are the size of parts of sun and earth in the earth are in the space. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss about the formation of earth and the evolution of earth, how they are taking place in the space. Okay. Thank you, children.